How to delete chats in character AI. If you've been using character AI and want to clean up your chat history, today's video is for you. I'll show you how to delete your chats in character AI step by step. So let's dive right in. First, open your character AI on your browser or launch the app if you're using mobile. Log in with your account if you already haven't logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can see all your uh, explorers. Now, to simplifying the previous conversation with the AI characters, simply tap on three horizontal bars, and here you can see yesterday. This is the chat that I have used. Now, to simply delete it, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal lines and simply click on remove from recents. Now, as you can see here, the chat has been removed from the character AI recents. And that's it. That's how you delete chats in character AI. It's quick and easy way to manage your conversations.